Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Wednesday, so I saw some movements on Bitcoin. I saw some movements on traditional market. I don't know what happened overnight, but I see some yams on 4-hour chart, some yams on daily chart. Okay, let's see if we have sound and if we have image. Morning, Robert. Hey, Diana. Hey, Lord. Hey, Anas. Hey, Alex. Okay, now let's see if we have image. Let's start with Bitcoin CME chart and we'll go from there. I don't see any errors on YouTube Studio, so everything should be okay-ish. Okay, so on daily, on Bitcoin, I don't see an EM. I don't see anything special. We are in the range. We are trying to test that level 67,200 or $360. Let's see what will happen today. We have a gap below. We have multiple gaps below actually, but one is pretty close at 65. If we lower the time frame, we'll see some yams on Bitcoin. We'll see some yams on other charts. But on daily, just a range, and we are rejecting before touching that $67,360. It's good, it's bad, I don't know. Let's wait and see what will happen. Wednesdays are not the best days for trading, but maybe this time is different. Who knows? Okay, now that's Bitcoin on daily. Let's take a look at Ethereum on daily. Similar. Range. It's possible to touch $2,000 today, tomorrow, Friday. I don't know. It's definitely possible, but I don't know what will happen. If we'll create an EM on lower time frame, that EM could throw us back down even to 1,800 to test some levels. Nothing new from yesterday. Just at the moment, the Wednesday candle, it's a bit red with a rejection here. ES on daily, total fuckery here, you can see. Up, down, up, down. We are in the short reload zone. We are trying to test the all-time high, but in SFU, the high again, but I just don't see it. Something is happening behind the scenes and we don't know about it. Indicators, well, look at the OBV. OBV should tell us something. Yeah? With YAMS, with bearish divergence, with everything you need. I still think it's too early to do something on this one as a swing trader. As a day trader, long, short, all day long. But as a swing trader, it's just an ugly range. I don't know if it should play this one. Okay, gold is trying to do that daily W, people. Low, high, higher low, yeah, a slightly higher low, neckline. If we accept above that level, well, then that's a daily W on gold. Do we have 2R until the short reload zone? Well, only if you think 78.6. If you think 4,500, no. It is possible to find a trade here, yes, but I don't think it's the best scenario for us. I think it's better to lower the time frame and look at gold at $4,250. That should be a level we can watch for. I don't know, if you trade 5-minute chart, 50-minute chart, and you play an SFU there, that should be something. Okay, oil. Well, oil is suggesting that the war is not over again. You can see oil pushing higher. That means the war is getting more aggressive or something. Yeah, we had an indecision candle. We hope for a retest of the lows, but no. At least 75. 75 was a good level to watch, but no, it's pushing higher. Like I told you so many times, uh, oil is not for us. Oil is for big players. Oil is volatile. Oil is manipulated up and down. The game is too big for me. I don't know. If you think you have an advantage, go ahead and play the oil market. DXY, like I suggested yesterday and 2 days ago, yeah, this is not a bearish pattern on DXY. We had a small drop, but was a retest of the neckline. Look at it. This is Wyckoff. Yeah. This is Wyckoff consolidation, and we should push higher to the next level. Not today, not tomorrow, but soon enough, we can push to 105. I don't know. Let's see what will happen. Could be a fake out, yes, but we accepted too many times above that support and resistance level. You can see we are closing back above that level. That means the XY should push a bit higher. Okay, now getting back at Bitcoin and crypto dominance. People, I know some of you are upset when I'm telling them that, well, we are still fighting 60%. Everyone wants an altcoin season this summer, but look at the pattern. Zoom out. It's a fucking range and we are fighting 60% up and down, up and down. Do you think I don't want a mini altcoin season this summer? But I have to see the chart. Bitcoin dominance looks like it's consolidating. 60% is fighting actually that level and nothing else. Ethereum versus Bitcoin here, I'm still waiting for that YM. A bit higher, a bit lower, I don't know exactly where, but I'm waiting for that YM. If I get that YM and will confirm the YM, then we can go a bit lower than 0.025. We can test these lows and accept lower. Total market cap, nothing new. You know that is. Getting back on Bitcoin. People, this pattern is still valid. Don't get me wrong. On lower time frame, I saw some YMs, but on daily, shoulder, head, shoulder. And we are at the neckline of the inverse head and shoulder. It's possible to push higher and close the gap at 75, 78. Yeah, it's possible. But it's probable. We have a big resistance here, 69, 70k. If we accept above this and we close above it, then yes. As you know, we have this kind of scenario. If we accept, maybe we have a higher high that suggests uptrend. If we accept above 69 and close above, then okay. Considering that we are in the summertime, the probability for an uptrend here is not as big as people expect. I see a lot of people saying, well, we'll go to the moon. Next day, after a small drop, well, no, we'll go back down. Well, we'll go to the moon. Of course, at some point in time, they'll be right. And I told you so. But trust me, they are not profitable. They are just there to take your money. Okay. Now, that's the higher time frame overview. What do we have here? ZEC. I told you about ZEC. Let's wait for a daily M. Well, there you go. That's the daily M. If you like it, take it. If you don't like it, wait for an LJ on lower time frame. I posted already on general chat about that. Remember, days ago I said, well, let's wait for, give me a daily M or give me SFU of these highs. Well, seems like the daily M is the case. It's 100% accurate and will definitely go down? No. It's just a setup. Treat it with a good risk management, because could be a fake out and we can still push to 600 and something, take this level and then dump. Did I took this daily M? Yes. Okay. Bit. Nothing we can talk about, is just as an example. And our favorite shitcoin. Look at it. Really nice. I'll talk about this one until you'll be tired of hearing about SpaceX. I want as many people as possible to remember this behavior, to remember what uh, people with money, the big investors, are doing with the public. Yeah, I'll repeat over and over again, and I'll show you this one as an example until as many as possible. I want to print in their heads that Elon Musk and their friends are not your friend. They are not there to provide you with something. They are there to take your money. Everyone was bullish on SpaceX. We'll go to the moon because this. Look at the chart. Okay. That being said, this is the overview. Let's go to calendar. Thursday, tomorrow we have some European news, but nothing else. So it's pretty safe to go on day trade. There you go. That's Bitcoin on 1 hour. Do you see the M? It's there. We are rejecting now from the Monday high. Normal price action, normal behavior. You can see the M, the neckline, we accepted below. Maybe we'll bounce a little bit because we have the Monday high as support. And a small bounce is normal. But if we accept below the Monday high, then the next level is the middle of the range, which, if you look left, it's a support and resistance level, a good one. If we accept below this level, then the Monday low is the next one. I don't know how many of you still have a short idea here. I think Stefan posted something. I said I want an SFU of these levels. I never got an SFU. So I said I'll just wait on the sidelines until I'll have one. Well, there is the M, 1 hour M, and I think even a 4 hour M. Yeah, so don't be surprised if you see the market dumping all of the sudden. So cold all of the sudden, because we have signs here. All kind of signs. Look at the RSI, look at even OBV has some M's now. What we can play today, if the market, this is just a fake out and will reject from this Monday high and will push higher, this SFU at 67,248, 66,956 still stands. So if the market reverses as goes there, then okay, we can hunt SFU setups. If the market accepts in the range, then you know the range game. We play the range game. If this will become a resistance, then we know what to do. If the market will go here, then we'll play along. So that's Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Even better on Ethereum, to be honest. Why? We have an EM here. Let's take a look. Ethereum looks interesting to me. Why? We have the SFU, then we have an EM. We confirmed that M, we retested that M with a W, you can see we retested that M. And then we created a new M, and now we have the third M here confirming at the Monday high. If yesterday, 2 days ago, Ethereum was looking stronger than Bitcoin, well, not the case anymore. Look at the M's. Now we are confirming the big and the third M, if you want to call it that way. So 1 M here, 1 EM here, big EM here, neckline of the EM is in confluence with the Monday high. Draw your own conclusions, but I could see the market going straight down to the middle of the range and then lower to the Monday low. Some confluence at the Monday low again. Look at it. 3 weeks ago Monday high. Last week Monday high. This week Monday low at the same level. Looks like an important level to watch. I'm not telling you what to do, people. I'm not your financial advisor. I don't care if you long, if you short. I'll just tell you what I see on the chart and what I do with my own money. Okay? Hey, Carol. So we are confirming those EMs now. 1, 2, the big one. It's possible to be a fake out and to SFU one more time? not probable seeing the M's, but possible indeed. Let's take a look at the next one, hype. Well, Stefan posted a short on hype. For me, I don't want to play hype. I told you many times. But if you took the shorts from short reload zone here with Stefan, you are risk free, you are in profit. VIP members are happy at the moment. Do I see a setup here? No. Solana, look at it. Yeah. I remember a stupid trader told you, don't touch it because this is a boring range and probably it's better to wait for lower levels. Look at it. Nothing. From February 26 until now, nothing. Just up and down, up and down. Let's take a look at ES. But I think for ES, it's better to go on 1 hour. Yeah. Let's see 1 hour. Classic behavior. Yeah. Respecting the Monday range. Respecting the Monday high here. You can see we SFU that level. Did that provide a setup? Probably. Let's see. I don't trade traditional market, people, so yes, a clear SFU setup here. Yeah? Classic SFU, look at it. We closed above, then we closed back below, exactly in the Monday high, and that provided a clear setup. Then you had an M, then you had a breakout, then you had a retest and another M, and look what happened. What is happening now? There are some bad news outside in the world? Probably. Going back on 1 hour. So, what do we have? We fighted the long reload zone, and we are still fighting the long reload zone. In the same time, we have the Monday range. We SFU the Monday high, and we are getting closer to the middle of the range. I don't agree with opening trades in the middle of the range, but if the market takes the Monday middle of the range as support and we bounce back at the Monday high, that could be a short. If the market accepts below and SFUs the lows, you can see a lot of equal lows here. That could be a long. Be careful here because it could drop like a hammer, but if it will reclaim, then you can play a long. If you play this long at $7,468.50, be extra careful. Make the trade risk free at 1 hour because could be a small bounce, too many levels here. Small bounce and then lower. Okay. Nasdaq, similar, but not exactly the same. You can see fake out above the Monday high and trying to get in the middle of the range. Gold is stronger. That makes me think we have bad news. I scanned the market earlier and I saw that ES down, gold up. That usually means bad news. Risk on are slowing down or dropping, and risk off like gold is pumping. People are scared. When you see the market like this, you realize that market players are getting scared and trying to get in the risk off assets. Okay, what do we have here? I think it's just a range. Just an ugly range on gold. I do think gold will push higher. Well, so far it's boring and it's lazy and it's weak and it's barely fighting 4,000. I don't think it's strong enough. I could see ES dumping and gold dumping also. It's not the first time we see that. Play the Monday range if you have the opportunity. Look what happened here. Yeah. We had the Monday range, we accepted above, then we retested the Monday high and we pushed higher. We'll probably retest this level again this week. Who knows? Okay, ZEC. I put ZEC on this list because I see this setup now. The first M completely the other side of the trend line could be a lower time frame setup, 1 hour, 4 hour chart. Looks like we are accepting that daily M. Stefan was right, pushing the short button here. Yes, for 1 hour and lower time frame 5-minute chart. Yes, was a setup. Stefan posted it a couple of days ago. The problem is the market goes up and down, up and down. Most of the people get bored or scared, and they'll close the trade again and again, will open another one. And actually, all you had to do is to open the short, make it risk free at 1 hour, and just leave it alone. It's up to you, people. It's not up to me. It's not my portfolio. It's yours. If you open and close the trades without a clear plan, or without patience, or without something, you will just pay a lot of fees. Market makers will make money, and your portfolio will slowly get smaller and smaller and smaller. You don't want that. Yeah, you don't want that. You open a trade and you have a clear plan what you'll do next. Well, at 1 hour, I'll make the trade risk free. Yeah. If you don't hit that level, you don't fucking touch the market. You hit 1 hour, you make the trade risk free, you don't do anything else. If you change your mind after you open the trade, that's bad. That's not trading anymore. That's not even micromanaging the trade. No, that's fuckery. You just fuck around and you'll find out. You'll get bad habits doing that. Your portfolio will become smaller, and all of a sudden you'll say, well, market is a scam, it's not profitable. No, you have bad habits. You don't play the market with clear rules. You don't do what you're supposed to do. You are fucking around over and over again. Don't blame the market for it. It's not the market, people. The only bad thing that is keeping you from profit is that sits from your monitor in your chair. Yeah, the guy that is pushing the buttons. That's the problem. Okay, so Zach looks like has a kind of a distribution pattern, wants lower. Let it go lower. Getting back at Bitcoin. Let's see what will happen if we get a bounce. Here, I think Stefan will say, and even some gladiators will say, well, give me Stefan's setup or give me something. I want a bounce and then to short. And I'm okay with that. If you go on 5-minute chart, yeah, a scalper doesn't want to short here at the Monday high, which is at the moment support on lower time frame. No, give me a bounce and then I'll short. If you are already short, you don't do anything. You just put your hands under your ass and wait. It's so simple. It's damn boring, but it's simple. Okay, we don't usually talk about 5-minute chart on daily crypto plan, so sorry about that. I saw people DMing me about how to join premium. Well, you push the button, you go on the subscribe link. Yeah, you go on the subscribe link and you have, well, story disabled. I need to do something, but you get the idea. I need to do something after the live stream, and the link will be active again. Yeah. That means it's my fault. Sorry, people. I'll activate it soon enough. Today, actually. Let's see what we have. How many reposts we have on this one? 25? 31? Not so many people lately. What happens? Summertime? Vacations? Or people decided that crypto is not for them? Stefan is posting from official account of Crypto Traders Arena. Again. Sorry, again. Good morning, Stefan. Good morning. Not a problem. We know that only Stefan has access on the official account. So if you see me speaking and Stefan or someone else posting in the chat, that means it's Stefan. Nobody else has access on the account. Okay, so short ideas. If you are already short, Stefan, you can see is happy that he has 4, 5, 6 shorts already in profit. That's good. If you want to take a short, depending on the time frame you are playing, you can take that TM. You can wait for a bounce. You can join VIP if you want Stefan setups. Yeah. We don't accept, usually we don't accept people in the middle of the month, but DM Stefan and he'll give you. Probably Stefan will say, well, if you want in the middle of the month, you have to pay for 3 months or something. But it's still possible to enter the VIP. Remember Monday I said, Monday and even yesterday I said, people, I'm not worried about getting the losing a long trade. I'm worried about not missing the next short. I don't know if this is the next short, but I'm here to play. I'm here to make money. I'll take the trades and I'll live with the results. Okay. That being said, let's call it a live stream. Yeah. VIP members, see you in 10 minutes. Premium members, see you in 5 hours from now in the New York session. Be extra careful, people. Yeah? It's summertime, SFU setups, clear setups, low risk, 0.5. I know that everyone is tired of hearing the same message, but that's the things you need to do. Okay, that being said, let's call it a live stream. Say thank you to Stefan for yesterday setups. Yeah, yesterday in the public live stream day trading with Stefan, he posted some setups, he discussed some setups, he answered your questions. So say thank you to Stefan. Say thank you to Stefan on Twitter, especially. He loves to use Twitter, and he's right for that. Okay. See you in the next live stream, people. Bye bye.